To create a digital planner to sell on Etsy, start by determining the type of planner you want to create, such as a daily, weekly, or monthly planner. Identify your target audience and the features they would find most useful, like goal-setting templates or to-do lists. Choose a design program like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create your planner. Considering the layout, fonts, and colors, ensure your design is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Set up a consistent page layout to make it easy for customers to use. Create a sample page or two to test the design and functionality of your planner. Save your planner as a printable PDF file, making sure it is high quality and can be easily printed or used digitally. Set up an Etsy shop and create a listing for your digital planner, including high-quality images and a detailed description of the features and benefits. Determine the price of your planner based on the value it provides and the prices of similar products on Etsy. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your planner, such as using social media or collaborating with influencers. Utilize Etsy's built-in marketing tools, like promotions and sales, to increase visibility and drive sales. Optimize your listing for search by using relevant keywords and categories, making it easy for customers to find your planner. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to questions and resolving any issues that may arise. Monitor and analyze your sales and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and make updates to your planner as needed. Continuously create new and updated planners to keep your customers engaged and attract new ones, helping you to build a successful business on Etsy.